Daniel's gonna do one door, get on, let me TikTok live this. And then he's gonna start answering questions, and he's gonna go to the office, and then he's gonna upload on Instagram about the discount code, then he's never gonna come back. And then he's come back, oh man, you did a lot already, bro, we did it. Like,
I'm hot, I'm ready to go. Well, I'm hot. Sounds a little weird. All right, guys. Messing up my intro. We'll talk about it, bud? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're gonna be wrapping this thing right here. Black to black conversion. It's not gonna be an extreme makeover, but it will be cool. So we're going from the gloss black to the matte, or satin black. We're going to the satin black. Getting ready to take it apart. Anthony's first hands-on, so he's gonna take care of getting it ready for us, prepping it, cleaning it up, and then we'll get into the wrap process. If you guys have any questions about this project, comment below. It's probably gonna be one video, but we're still gonna be here to answer everything and anything we can. Again, I'm gonna say this one more time. If you own a wrap shop, please comment below. Let me know what wrap shop you own. Maybe put your Instagram and maybe put your location. I think that'd be cool. What I'm trying to do here is get familiar with our audience. I wanna know if you guys own shops yourself or if you aspire to own a shop. If you wanna own a shop, if you're looking to get into the wrap business, comment that below too, because I'd love to connect with you guys. What I'm gonna do coming up pretty soon here is I'll do it right now. We'll put my text messaging number right here on the screen. Text me, let me know. Actually, do it in the comments and then text me. Also text me, let me know, hey, I got a shop in this location. Because what I wanna do is I wanna dive in and I wanna create these groups. I wanna create a group full of wrap installers where we can chat on a group text message, and then also new up and coming rappers. I want to talk with you guys too. Maybe help you out a little bit, give you some tips, give you some advice. Text messages is here on the screen. But before you do that, before you text me, make sure you comment below because it'll help with the algorithm. It'll also help connect you with other people in your area. What we're gonna do in the comment box is try to connect you guys all up. So if somebody's in St. Louis, Missouri, they got a wrap shop, put your Instagram, put your location. Maybe somebody in the comments will be looking for a wrap in your area, and then you guys can give me a commission fee. Just kidding. Let's get into this. We're gonna get into wrapping. I'm gonna stop talking and let's go.
Alright, so as you see, Jack is helping me in the back right there. We're gonna knock out this car in 1 hour. You think we can do it, Jack? 1 hour? Maybe. Cool. Alright, check this out. It is. It's called 1050. It's 1050. I bet all you guys we can finish this by, what time is it? 11:50. Watch.
I have to go back on my computer.
Yeah, what?
No, I gotta go back to work.
I'm gonna do this in an hour.
I've been waiting for the chance to prove myself. Take the wheel, hit the gas, gonna raise some hell. Gonna know my name, gonna hear me yell. Nothing holding me back far as I can tell.
Alright guys, we're about to pull out the rear bumper and that makes us halfway through. But you guys can go ahead and go with Annie behind the camera and check out the online department. They got some cool stuff going on over there. So we'll see you guys in half an hour and the car will be ready and fully disassembled.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're over here in production right now. As you guys can see, I'm actually setting up to make some windshield banners that you guys order from time to time. But the great thing about the windshield banners is actually they're universal. So just in case we don't have anything specific for your vehicle, you could still buy something from us, like a banner, and rep our company, which we really appreciate.
This is like the Amazon area. This is where like Jeff Bezos would be proud because we're like a startup. This is every product that we have. Pretty much is on every single one of these peg hooks. We got your Hondas, we got your Hondas, and we got your Hondas. We also have your Subarus and your Subarus and your other Subarus. And then we also have anything that's on the website. You can bet your bottom dollar it's on there. For example, we have, because you know your boy just got a new car, so right here I already know this is the Kia Stinger Amber Delete. Highly recommend. In smoke or gloss black we do offer, you know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, that's really it. Now knowing all that, I'm gonna send you guys back to disassembly.
Alright right, guys, as promised, we did this in 1 hour. It is 11:50 right now. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, we got this done at 11:25.
Yeah, it was done in less than an hour.
Okay, it was done in about 40 minutes. Half an hour? 40 minutes. 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes, and we took this whole car apart, and we actually started prepping as well. So,
In an hour.
we delivered. Told you I could do it. Sorry, we did it. Sorry, my bad.
Can't get it out. Sorry, guys. I want this to look much cooler. This is a color we've never done before, satin black. The client wanted something very different. So this is a color that just came out, satin black. Nobody has this. It's one of one. How many times have you guys got the car in satin black, Anthony?
Never.
Never, right?
Yeah.
This color just came out. This is a brand new color. Yeah,
Alright, no, for real. We're gonna get this thing done fast, right?
I should be asking you.
We can get this thing done. We can wrap the whole panel.
Yeah, we can wrap the whole car today.
Yeah, bro. Like, oh wait, no.
Guys, down the
I
stick.
think that. Never mind.
Y'all down the stick.
You don't want to say nothing, bro, because he knows he's gonna have to put it together.
Yeah, bro.
If we
yeah,
finish-
yeah. We're all gonna be on this together. Dan's gonna wrap one fender, and then he's gonna go to the room and show for me.
Remember what I said?
Listen to this guy! Listen to this guy! Listen to this guy!
He's so much good.
I put fucking time and effort on your girl's
no,
car.
no, no, no,
I wrapped
I
the
always
trunk,
said
I
that.
wrapped the roof, I wrapped the hood, I wrapped the doors, and now you're still talking shit. I wrapped the quarter panels, bro.
Daniel's gonna do one door, let me TikTok live this. And then he's gonna start answering questions, and he's gonna go to the office, and then he's gonna upload on Instagram about the discount code, then he's never gonna come back. And then he's come back, oh man, you did a lot already, bro, we did it. Like,
Hey, there's no point in watching the
That's
vlog.
what it is about owning the business. That's what I gotta do.
I predicted the future.
Vlog's over, guys.
You know what he's gonna do?
He's gonna do
Come
a
on,
fender
share.
door.
100,000 subscribers.
Actually, you know what? You're gonna do a roof.
You give me the vinyl. I'm gonna wrap the whole car. Get out of here.
You're gonna one piece the whole car? Okay, I know how to get everything on the car done. Are you ready? I'm gonna do the hood, both fenders. You're gonna do the roof, trunk, this side, and I'll do the other side.
Okay, let's go.
Don't touch the ball, it's over. Call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I cropped you out with no apologies. I am the hope, the heart, the faith, the spark, the one who will fulfill the prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring, about you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the track. I like it louder than most. Watching all these sheep just buy down to the goat. If I can't decide, I'ma probably get both. We done celebrate, but right now I'm a toast. Resurrected ghost. Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level.
If you guys are wondering why this is primered here, is because normally on these type of vehicles, there's like a little small dent in here where the emblem goes. And what this customer did is he ended up filling it and then putting bodywork over it just to kind of make it all smooth, and you won't see that anymore, so he doesn't have to put the emblem back on. And this thing's pretty much ready to wrap. We did all the inlays. It wasn't too challenging. What do you think?
The inlay was he taught me how to do the inlay. At first I didn't want to believe him, but it honestly worked really good.
Yeah.
So, shout out to David, the lead wrap installer.
Hey, I didn't say it. I didn't say it. He said it.
Alright guys, we are officially done with the BRZ, and honestly, this was one of the fastest projects we've done here, right? One of the fastest. It only took us 2 days, and how many hours was that actually?
How many hours of working? Probably like 15, 16 hours on the car with
So-
everybody being on it.
Daniel and Adrian both finished this car in less than a day, and that's actually pretty impressive. This car, we know inside and out. I've worked on these things so many times, stock body, wide body, and you know, I take it apart fairly fast, right?
An hour.
Which actually, I remember now, we took this car apart in less than an hour. That was actually pretty sick. So overall, it was very fast. If you guys want to get your FRS BRZ 86 wrap, let us know. We can finish these cars relatively fast. In and out, baby. In and out. We know this car in and out. And guess what? You bring in a car, it's going to be in and out as well. Less than a day wrap. Bam.
And we only charge you guys in and out.
Yeah, just give us some in and out. We'll be straight. Don't forget, guys, every 100,000 subscribers, we give away a free car wrap. Not a car wrap. People have been mistaking that. But anyways, I don't know what else to say after that. Bam! Alright guys, that's the end of the video.